If you're ready to start selling online, choosing the right platform is key. Whether you're launching your first product or expanding your business, the platform you choose can make or break your reach, margins, and workflow. Here are my top 5 platforms to sell online in 2025. At number 5 is Facebook Marketplace and Shops. It's free, social, and hyper-local. Perfect if you're selling directly to consumers in your area or testing product ideas. Plus, you can connect it to your Instagram shop for cross-platform reach. Number 4 is Etsy. Best suited for handmade items, vintage goods, and digital downloads. Etsy brings a built-in audience of buyers looking for unique, creative products, and it's ideal for artists, crafters, and designers who want to reach a niche market. At number 3 is Amazon. With access to millions of buyers and robust logistics through Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA, it's a powerhouse, especially if you're selling physical goods. Just be prepared for fees and competition and bring a strong brand to stand out. Coming in at number 2 is eBay, still a reliable and trusted platform for both new and secondhand goods. eBay's auction-style listings and global reach make it perfect for resellers, collectibles, and hard-to-find items. And the number 1 platform, Shopify. It gives you total control over your brand and store. No marketplace rules or distractions. With powerful integrations, customizable templates, and endless plugins, Shopify is the best choice for building your own online business from the ground up. Each of these platforms serves a different type of seller, but all 5 are excellent ways to start or grow your online sales in 2025.